Alright, I'm doing a quick video. I'm replacing the emblem on the back of my 2011 Ford Ranger. It's all faded out. Open this up and look at it real quick. Make sure it's the right size. There it is. So this bad boy is going to go there. I can see a little piece of blue right here. I think it costs 20 bucks. I'll put that in the description. This is 9 inches. So I noticed when I was shopping there were different sizes. This is the 9-inch. The goal is to be able to pull this thing off, clean up underneath of it, and put the new one on. The problem is that this is on. So I'm going to try to do it without destroying the paint or scratching anything. So when we come back, we'll start working on that with a heat gun and a screwdriver. I can push this right in. Hot so I can't touch it. Ouch. I want to try something else. Get my razor blade. Just need to cut some of this tape. So I can get some leverage. Ooh, that's working. There's a pin right there. Hit that pin right there. No, a little bit. It's rough on the fingers. Come on, baby. Yeah. Pain in the ass. And now here's the irony. Nope, these are the right ones. Pegs are in the right spot. Alright, now the fun part comes. I have to clean all this shit off here. This is my technique on how to get this off. Get it started and just slowly work it back. New technique. the end is always the funnest. Oh, it's taking it right off. I think this is as good as I'm going to get it. Do a little prep with some alcohol. There's no glue, but there's definitely a line where the old one was at that's faded. Once this dries, you'll see it. That's it. That's the prep. Next guy will be glad that I did that. Basically make this so you can't put it on upside down, which is something I would normally do. Hopefully it stays on, right? Last step. Here she is in all her glory. All right. Came out pretty good. Little shot of my truck here. I did a video of the rims and tires. It's on my channel. I think I paid $700 total shipped to my door for those rims and tires. Looks sweet. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. I used a razor knife, box cutting knife. You all right, Finn?
I'll be back.